Today I'm going to show you how to make money watching TV. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Financial Game, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I share opportunities to make money online from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe, and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. And we're going to go ahead and dive into this app that I have. I have talked about this app previously on my channel, but I wanted to go back to it and embrace it once again with how the situation is right now and everybody being at home and just stuck at home and watching movies and shows and everything. So I think this app can be really helpful. I mean, if you can use your all the free time that you have and use the time that you watch TV and shows and everything to make a little extra money, that would be really helpful. Now I wanted to take a look at the app. So we're currently in the Google Play Store. I will go ahead and leave the link to this app in the description to this video, so you can scroll down and tap or click on it and you'll be directed to this page. And the one specific part of this app that I wanted to embrace is that if you watch Amazon Prime, either you watch movies or TV shows or any type series that you like, maybe on Amazon Prime, you can actually connect it to your TV and connect it to this app as well and start earning money as you watch your favorite shows. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this app a little bit more. So right now this app has a 3.4 star rated. It is it's highly rated, and it has the developer contact information here in case you're having any issues or anything like that. You can come here and contact them, and it has over 1 million downloads, so that is pretty popular, and it has been rated by over 120,000 people. So you can tell that this app is pretty popular, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the images and kind of understand a little bit more as to how it works and how you can use it to start making money by watching TV. It says earn perk points by watching live TV. Anytime you watch TV, tap on the VIGGLE icon to check in and start earning. Okay, so and then it shows you that little image right there. And it says stream TV and movies to earn more perk points. Check into shows on your favorite streaming providers too. Okay, so that's when Amazon Prime comes into play. And it says want more? Earn up to 15 times the perk points with daily bonus shows and VIGGLE games. So they do have special shows that you can actually watch to earn 15 times more, 10 times more, 2 times more, or 5 times more the points. They also have games that you can play, and it says spend points, easily exchange your perk points for over 200 plus gift cards, brands, over 1,000 plus denominations and prices. And they do show right here like the options of gift cards that you can actually get with them. And you can also redeem your money via their debit card that they have. So that way, if you don't want to get any of these gift cards and you would rather get actual money that you can spend on other things that you want, then you can actually get your money redeemed via their debit card that they have. But we're going to go ahead and read a little bit more and just understand a little bit more as to how this app works. We're currently in the About section, and we're going to get more details as to how you can use this app to to make money while you watch TV. So it says get rewarded for interacting with all of your favorite entertainment. Check into shows and movies live on TV or on providers like Netflix, Amazon, and Hulu. So you can actually use this app if you watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hulu, and with either one of those providers, or actually just watching shows that are provided on the app VIGGLE to earn your points. And it says next, exchange your perk points for real life rewards. VIGGLE is powered by Perk, the #1 mobile reward program perk has more rewards, more apps, and more giveaways than anyone. Redeem gift cards to top brands like Amazon, PayPal, Walmart, and over 200 plus more. Check into any TV program by tapping on the VIGGLE app. Once checked in, you'll start earning perk points. Redeem your perk points for gift cards, prizes, and or exchange your points for cash with our powerful prepaid debit card perk plastic. So this is the debit card that I was talking about earlier. You can actually redeem your points for cash on their debit card that they have. And so we're going to go ahead and read a little more. It says it's free to join, hundreds of gift card options to choose from, tablets, headphones, laptops, and other goodies. Check into any TV show, earn perk points, open VIGGLE daily to find featured shows for 4 times, 6 times, 15 times perk points. So you can check in every day, and they promote different shows that you can actually watch. I mean, if you're busy and you actually don't have the time to actually watch the shows, maybe you can just leave them playing on either your phone or your laptop or whatever it is that you use to watch shows, and you can probably just leave them playing on the background while you're doing other things, and that way you'll be able to earn your points. It says play along with real-time trivia, participate on streaks, and challenge yourself to quests to score even more perk points. Set custom reminders so you never miss a show. Use perk points to enter sweepstakes for a chance to win gift cards and more. Donate over 1,000 charities, including Autism Speaks, Wounded Warrior Project, American Cancer Society, and more. VIGGLE while you perk and get rewarded. And here they do have a little disclosure right here. It says, please note this app features Nielsen's proprietary measurements software, which will allow you to contribute to market research like Nielsen's TV ratings. Please see nielsens.com digital privacy for more information. You may also visit settings in the app to opt out of Nielsen measurements, so you can also opt out of this program if you are not interested. And so yeah, this is the app that I wanted to share with you today. You can use this app to make money while you watch TV and your favorite shows. Like I said, you can just leave it play in the background if you don't actually want to watch it, and that way you can gain your points and be able to redeem your points and earn more that way. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave here other videos that I have done. On my channel I have a whole playlist of videos that I have done for other money-making apps. So if you have a lot of free time in hand right now and you're bored at home and you get tired of just scrolling through social media, you can actually use this time to start making a little extra money. I'm gonna go ahead and put the playlist of other money-making apps and also some workout home opportunities in case you are interested. And like I said, in my channel I share opportunities to make money online from home or from your phone. So if you are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave those playlists in this in the cards, or up here in the cards, and also in the end screen or the cards up here. And also I have an entire playlist of apps that I have used myself, that I have tested, and you can actually see if I have been able to redeem money for those apps and get money for the time that I put in for trying out different apps that you can earn money from. So if you're interested, I'm also gonna go ahead and link that playlist up here so you can go ahead and watch it, and so you can learn a little bit more about the apps. And that is all that I have for today. Like I said, I will be leaving here in the end card some playlists of other apps that you can watch if you are interested. And And leave me a comment below if you have heard of this app. Maybe you have used it yourself, or maybe you know of anybody who have used it. Go ahead and leave your insight or your opinion down in the comment section below this video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family members or friends. And that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.